Just troll me, ChatGPT. I want to learn. Just roast me a lot. No mercy. Just roast me. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon and good evening. Did you know one small mistake can make you sound completely different? Here, small mistake in the sense one small pronunciation mistake. Welcome back to my another day of learning American accent. Today we are fixing pronunciations. Pronunciation is not about being perfect. It's about understanding clearly each and every sound understanding. So today we are going to fix this pronunciation with the help of ChatGPT. You know, right? I am taking the help of ChatGPT to learn American accent. And you all know that one. If you don't know, means just check out my first day of learning American accent. I will give that link in this description and as well as in this iCard somewhere. So please go and check it out. And let's use the ChatGPT for learning purpose. And I'm using this ChatGPT with the help of voice mode. Voice mode feature is there, right? With the help of that one I'm using. Now I will tell the ChatGPT to generate some tongue twisters. Yes. With the help of tongue twisters, we can learn the pronunciations. Like tongue twisters are the best useful to learn the pronunciations. Okay, try for it and learn it. Hey ChatGPT, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing really well, thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going so far?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Today I'm gonna learn American accent with the help of pronunciations. For that, I just want to take tongue twisters. What do you say?
Oh, that's a fantastic idea. Tongue twisters are really effective for tightening up your pronunciation and getting those subtle sounds right. Do you have a few in mind, or do you want me to suggest some classic American accent tongue twisters?
I want you to suggest American accent tongue twisters.
Absolutely. So a few classic ones that work really well are She Sells Seashells by the Seashore, Peter Piper Picked a Peck of Pickled Peppers, and How Can a Clam Cram in a Clean Cream Can? They really highlight those tricky consonants and vowel shifts in American English. Want to try one of them?
Yeah, I will try this She Sells Seashells by the Seashore.
Awesome. So as you say it, really focus on crisp S's and SH sounds. Start slowly. She sells seashells by the seashore. Once you get comfortable, speed up a bit. And if you want, I can give you feedback on how it sounds.
First of all, break it the tongue twisters and tell me how to sound perfectly.
Great idea. Let's break it down. So first, focus on each word. The she should have a clear sh sound at the beginning. Sells should emphasize that soft S sound. Then seashells is another sh start, and by the seashore has a nice open E sound. So slow it down. She sells seashells by the seashore. Once you've got each word clear, you can connect them, but keep that sh crisp and the vowels nice and open. Then you can speed up gradually.
Okay. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Nice. You kept the rhythm really well, and your sh sounds are coming through clearly.
Sh.
If anything, just be mindful of your pacing. It's okay to slow down a bit if you need to, but overall, great job.
Okay, give me another one.
Of course. Another classic one is Peter Piper Picked a Peck of Pickled Peppers. You can break it down by focusing on the P sounds. Really pop that P at the start of each word.
P.
And the rhythm is great for practicing that rapid consonant flow.
Okay.
Give that one a try.
Break it down, the tongue twister.
Sure. Let's break it down step by step. First, the P sound in Peter is really sharp. Make sure you're popping that P. Then Piper, again, emphasize that first P. For picked, peck, and pickled peppers, keep that crisp P sound and follow a steady rhythm. Once you have each word separate, you can tie them together. Take it slowly first, and once you feel confident, speed up.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. 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 How is it?
That was awesome. You You kept that rhythm really steady, and your P sounds were super clear. I could hear the pops at the start of each word. I think you're really getting the hang of it. Just keep practicing those sharp consonants, and you'll be golden.
Okay, give me the last tongue twister. I wanna practice.
You got it. The last one I'll suggest is how can a clam cram in a clean cream can? So again, break it down. How penna, make sure that H and C are clear. Clam cram, emphasize that C. And clean cream can, keep those vowel sounds open. Once you're comfortable, you can speed up. Ready to give it a go?
How can I clam cram in a clean cream can? How can I clam cram in a clean cream can? How can I clam cram? How can I clam cram in a clean cream can? How can I clam cram in a clean cream can?
That was really good. Your pacing was great, and the clarity on the C sounds and the vowels was spot on. I think you're really getting a feel for these tongue twisters, so awesome job.
Okay, ChatGPT, please be honest and give me the feedback. And it should be like, just troll me, ChatGPT. I want to learn. Just roast me a lot. No mercy. Just roast me.
Alright, you asked for it. So honestly, it sounded a bit stiff, like you were trying to power through the words, but you were sort of rushing them. The C and H sounds got a bit jumbled, and some of those vowel shifts felt off. So slow down, really exaggerate each consonant and vowel, and give yourself time to hit each sound. You've got the potential, just don't be afraid to sink into it and take your time.
So, my C and H sounds are not perfect, right?
Yeah, exactly. So the C sound, especially at the beginning of clam and cram, is really subtle but needs a crisp popping start. And the H and how and can should be really airy and clear. You're sort of gliding over them right now, so just practice isolating those sounds. If you slow down a bit and really over enunciate them, they'll get sharper.
Okay. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How is it?
That was better. You definitely slowed down, and I could hear each sound more clearly. The C and H sounds were a lot sharper, and the vowels opened up nicely. Keep that steady, deliberate pace, and you'll really lock it in. Great progress.
So that's it, guys, for today. And today I just learned pronunciation. I hope you're also learning along with me. And one more thing I want to share you. Don't worry if you're not getting American accent. It's okay. It's okay. Like, even if you're not getting American accent, means at least you're trying, and at least you're getting communication skills from that. Anyhow, you're gaining something, right? Instead of nothing. So I hope, please practice well if you are interested in American accent means. And yeah, I hope we will get it in this journey. And thank you so much for watching up to here. I'm really very grateful for you all, and I hope we will get this American accent together. Thank you so much for watching again. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.